we are making Pumpkin Pie Moose Napoleon. First step is to get the pan hot at 100% heat. Put in 1 pint of blackberries, 1.5 cups of red wine, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1.5 cups of granulated sugar. Then mix it all up. Simmer it down for 15 minutes until we get a thick syrup consistency. Next, we will prepare the candied pecans. Get a bowl and put in 1.5 cups of Georgia pecans. Then take 1 egg white and whisk it before putting it into the bowl. Put in 1/4 a cup of brown sugar and 1/4 a cup of granulated sugar. Mix it together, then pour it all into the pan. Put the pan in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 16 minutes. Next, we'll prepare the phyllo dough. Take 1 layer of phyllo dough, brush some melted butter onto it, and sprinkle some sugar. Next, take another layer of phyllo dough, put it on top, and press it down to make sure they stick together. Apply some butter and sprinkle some sugar on top. Repeat the process until you have 4 layers of phyllo dough on top of each other. Next, get a tray and a ring mold. Use the ring mold on the 4 layers of phyllo dough. After shaping it out, put it in a tray and bake it at 400 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. Get an electric mixer and a bowl. Put 1 cup of heavy whipping cream into the bowl and power it on. While mixing, put 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar and mix it until it forms a stiff peak. Then put it into a bowl. Now, get a fresh bowl and the electric mixer again. Put in 16 ounces of cream cheese, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 12 ounces of pumpkin puree, and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. Blend them together and pour the mixture into a bowl. Now it's time to plate. Get a fresh plate and put some pumpkin pie mousse in the middle of the plate. Now take a ring mold and place it in the center. Take one of the baked phyllo dough stacks and place it in the middle of the ring mold. Spread some pumpkin pie mousse on top and repeat the process until you have 4 baked phyllo dough stacks on top of each other. Pull the ring mold out and place some blackberry red wine syrup, candied Georgia pecans, and some powdered peanut butter. And it is finished!